Push Patel, and today in this video we will look at LeetCode problem number 88, merge sorted arrays. Here the problem, we are given two integer array num1 and num2. They both are sorted and in the non-decreasing order, and two integers m and n representing the number of elements in n1 and numbers of element in n nums2 array, respectively. So very important data is given, like it is sorted and non-decreasing order, and m and n numbers of in the array are also given. So this makes this question particularly very easy to solve. In example 1, we can see nums1 have three numbers 1, 2, and 3, else are 0, and nums2 array have three numbers 2, 5, and 6. So here we have three numbers. Uh, as in the output, we can see that we can see it is also in sorted manner 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. So both arrays are merged, but and also in the sorted position. So for this, I have created an example which is very easy to understand. So here you can see nums1 have three numbers 4, 5, and 6, and nums2 array have also three numbers 1, 2, and 3. So what I have a thought is, so basically you can see in this, we have a void type of function, so we can't return anything. So we have to return, we have to rewrite either num1 or num2. So let's keep in mind, and so that if I tried to solve it via replacing an number, so like let's say I have a number like 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I compare that, then when I write 1 and 2 here, so here num2's first position will have number 3, so that will be replaced. So that I thought that we have to start from ending. So what I will do is, I have two numbers of the array, so I will merge them, so it becomes 6 here. M1 plus n m plus n becomes 6. So I will make in step 1 num1 will become 6, 6 size of array. So I will compare both array from the last end. So I will compare 6 and 3. So both are already sorted. So it is easy to compare now. 6 and 3. So among them, 6 is larger. So in the first step, I will put in the nums1 array last index in the answer array. So here we can see it is already only three size of array, but in the answer it will be going to six size of array, or m plus n size of array. So in that array, last last number will be 6, because we have compared these. Then I will compare 5 and 2, or 5 and 3. Then in the second step, 5 and 3, among them 5 is bigger, so 5 will be here. This 0 I have put it in the red because it is not defined, obviously, because in the three size of array we are directly putting fifth position. We are putting number in the directly fifth position, so that so let's try to solve the question with this. So for that, uh, I will first uh, try to put an iteration. So let's start with that. I will use while loop here because I have to compare with two two iterations I and j. So obviously I have to use two conditions for that breaking the loop, and also I have to keep uh, third iteration for the this length of array. So m and n are 3 3, and the answer array nums 1, which is starting from the last, that will be 6 size or m plus n size. So for that I will use k. So from the last end nums 1. So basically this is nums 1 of I. So basically this is the first sorry, last index of the first array. We will compare it to the last index of the second array. So whichever is bigger, we are putting it in the last index of the nums one, but it is the last index as a m plus n. So it is not replacing our already written numbers, like for here it is 6, so it is not writing 6 here. It is writing it m plus n, so in the fifth index, not the second index. So that reason we are using k here. Also we will minus the I, so that next time it uses next index, and else we will put the second array's last index. Okay, so let's try to run that. Also, we will have to write another loop. So here we can see we have used I and j. One of them goes 0, so this loop will stop. But what if one array is bigger than other? Then it will not compare full both array. So we'll have to write another loop. we can't use or operator here too, because if we use that, then one of the iteration will go in the minus, which is not valid for any array. I think there is some error in the loop writing. It says runtime error. Okay, so we are not minusing j here. Let's try again. Okay, so all the examples are solved here. Let's try edge cases. Okay, so you can see question is solved, and it beats 100% and uses 0 millisecond of runtime. Thank you for watching this video.